Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between LearnWorlds versus Kajabi. If you're serious about creating and selling online courses, you've likely heard of both, but which one is right for you? Let's dive into a feature by feature, price by price showdown. Before we do that, we've got the link to both LearnWorlds and Kajabi in the description so you can have an easy access at the end of this video. And now starting with the features of LearnWorlds. This platform focuses heavily on the learning experience, offering interactive videos, a robust assessment builder, live sessions, and even SCORM HTML5 support. It also boasts a website builder with templates, a mobile app builder, and tools for survey and pop-ups. LearnWorlds provides a comprehensive suite of marketing tools, including affiliate programs, bundles, and subscriptions. It also offers advanced reporting, custom user roles, and integrations. Kajabi, on the other hand, positions itself as an all-in-one platform for creators. Key features include course creation, coaching tools, community building, email marketing, and podcast hosting. Kajabi provides customizable website templates, landing page builders, and marketing funnels. It also has a built-in payment processing and analytics. Kajabi also offers a mobile app. And now to the pricing. LearnWorlds offers several plans. You have the starter at $24 per month when billed annually with a $5 per course enrollment transaction fee, and this only applies to the starter. Then you have the Pro Trainer at $79 per month when billed annually with no transaction fees. You have the Learning Center at $249 per month when billed annually. There are also high volume and corporate plans also, and you'll need to contact customer care for a quote. The starter plan is a good way to begin, but the transaction fees can add up. Therefore, the Pro Trainer plan would likely be a better longer-term solution. And now to Kajabi's pricing. Kajabi's pricing is structured as follows when billed annually. You have the Kickstarter plan, which comes at $71 per month with one product and 250 contacts among some of the features. Then you have the Basic at $119 per month with 3 products and 10,000 contacts. Then you have the Growth with $159 per month with 15 products and 25,000 contacts. Then you have the Pro at $319 per month, 100 products and 100,000 contacts. Kajabi emphasizes that there are 0 transaction fees on all plans. Do take note that Kajabi bundles marketing and sales tools into its pricing. Now, if a robust student interaction and detailed course creation is the main focus, then consider LearnWorlds Pro Trainer plan. But if marketing and sales tools being integrated into your course platform is desired, Kajabi's growth plan is a strong choice. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons, starting with LearnWorlds. With the pros, LearnWorlds has a strong focus on interactive learning, highly customizable, and robust assessment tools. On the flip side, the transaction fees on the starter plan and the mobile app as an add-on can be a concern. As for Kajabi, with the pros, it is an all-in-one platform with marketing tools, user-friendly interface, and no transaction fees. On the flip side, some may consider it pricey and fewer advanced course interactivity features. So, which should you go with? If your priority is delivering a rich, interactive learning experience, LearnWorlds is an excellent choice. If you want an all-in-one platform with marketing and sales tools built in, Kajabi is a strong contender. In the description, you'll find the links to both LearnWorlds and Kajabi to start your journey. So which would you be picking? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.